So you guys won't believe what just happened, man. So walking out of the gym, man, had a great workout. Went to jump in my 73 Impala, and guess what, guys? Boom, blown head gasket. Yeah. So, man, I've been planning on doing some motor and engine work to this car anyway. So, you know, it ain't no thing, man. I was gonna do it anyways, but I wish it would have blown up at the crib, man. But you know, sometimes it's how it goes, man. But yeah. So, I'm either gonna go with a 383, or I might just do some. I might just beef up my. I might just beef up the 350 that's in it with new heads. You know, cam. New exhausts, new headers. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, man. As far as this car goes, man. As y'all can see, man, y'all see the water leaking on it, man. I came out, man. I don't know if I came out. Y'all see all the water. I came out, jumped in it, was pumping the gas. You know, usually this car, I ain't gotta do nothing but pump the gas 2 times. And I mean, and she's ready. But this time, man, I was pumping the gas, pumping the gas, pumping the gas, pumping the gas. And it was like she didn't want to stay running, guys. So that's when I knew. I'm like, man, something's wrong, man. So like I said, man, this is my 73 Impala, man. We're gonna be doing a lot of mods, a lot of fun stuff with this car, man. But like I said, man, so you know, better soon than never, man. So yeah, she's about to get some nice motor work done. But I'm actually glad it happened, because I was actually about to take it to the paint shop in March, man. So fuck, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some motor work done to it, man. Like I said, I'm gonna order some things. I'm gonna keep y'all updated on it, man. We're gonna turn this into a whole series, man. But go ahead and get this motor and get this thing back on the road as fast as I can. That way I can go ahead and get it painted, guys. So it ain't no thing, man. I got wifey, man. She on the way to come get me. The good thing is I'm the tow guy. You did? So she's on the way to come get me, man. What I'm gonna do, so I'm not in an awkward position, I'm gonna try to get this thing running and get it over here to the movie theater. So that way when I do come with my truck, ooh, you can hear it too. That way when I do come to pick it up with my truck, I'm not like all in everybody's way or whatever, man. You can actually hear the truck, I mean the car, like knocking. But I'm gonna get it over there right beside the movie theater. I'm gonna go home, hop in my big pretty truck, and come on back and pick her up, guys. So yeah, it's right here turned into a whole episode, baby. Ain't no thing though, man. You live, you learn. You hear me? You live, you learn. You get better, guys. You hear me? So I'm gonna park it. Let me see. Yep, park it right here. Then I can just pull my truck straight up to it. Pull my truck straight up to it, man. You know, she's smoking crazy. She's smoking like crazy too. Hold on, guys. My wife's calling me. Yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all right back, man. Wife is calling me, man. Yes, sir. So I got it right here, man. You dig? Feel me? Sky! Feel me? There goes wifey right there. So I got it over here, guys. So I'm gonna go get the truck, pull up. You see, I got a clear shot, man. Nobody in my way. I'm not blocking nobody, and get my baby onto the crib. So I'll see y'all in a minute, baby. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So family made it home, man. Had to change them clothes, man. You hear me? Because I was leaving the gym, but jumping back in the work truck. Now we headed to get my 73 Impala, man, and bring her home, man. So I'll see y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good thing I'm the tow man. You hear me? I ain't got to worry about nothing, man, when it comes to these cars, man. Because I am the car man. You hear me? But anyways, pulling up, man. To my Impala, man. My bad. Pulling up to my Impala. Just got the truck parked, man. We're gonna get out. We're gonna get out, get these ramps off, man. Hold on. Yes, sir. Get on out, man. Get the ramps off. And y'all see, I was parked over there. But it's a lot of cars, a lot of traffic, and I just didn't want to, clog up, traffic, man. Back trying to get my car. So, like I said, man, got the car here, trailer, look, all the room in the world. Nobody over here bothering me. I'm not in nobody's way, nothing. And I want to explain it to you guys. Sometimes, man, if you can, when you towing and stuff, man, try to get out of people's way, man. You hear me? If you can avoid it, man. You know what I'm saying? If you can avoid it, get out of people's way, man. But like I said, man, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this camera down, I'm gonna get these ramps down, and let's get it up, baby. See y'all in a minute. Peace.
Stacking money up, hey. Stacking money up, stacking money up, hey. See, I ain't rich, but I will be. Hey, follow me, nigga, you'll see.
Y'all see it, man. So we got her up, man. It's all good. It's all love. We not mad. We not depressed. Nah, man. It's just part of the game, man. Man, in life, you gotta understand, this happens sometimes, man. You hear me? Everything ain't gonna go your way all the time. But what I will tell you, you gotta be prepared, baby. You gotta be prepared. That's why you gotta stack your money. You gotta be on top of your finances. You can't be blowing your money. You can't be making the money and blowing it all the time. Because when shit go down like this, then you looking goofy. Then you looking confused. So guys, like I said, man, we good, man. No sweat, no problem. My own truck, my own business. Picked up my own car. I'm not stressing it. You hear me? I can get it fixed. I can do what I want. That's because I do what I have to. You hear me? I do what I have to so I can do what I want. Yeah. I get out here and I bust my head. I stack my money. I do good, legitimate business. You hear me? I take care of my responsibility. You hear me? So we ain't pressed, baby. But I wanted to show you this car in a different light, in a different video. But this is gonna be the first video of my 1973 Chevy Impala blowing the head gasket. But we're gonna have fun with this car, man. Like I said, we're gonna fix it up. We're gonna do some big things to it, man. 4G autos. We're gonna do the whole nine, baby. So like I said, man, I thank y'all. I love y'all. Y'all keep supporting, man. Like I said, we're going to see y'all next episode, baby. You hear me? Stay positive. Stay motivated. Stay getting it. You hear me? Peace.